Okay, so Bob was right about the levers. I've never seen 126 with levers like this for the release latch. It's interesting. There's no center pull or safety latch. I don't know. I doubt. I guess definitely not supposed to be one there. Just interesting. Thank you for vacuuming off the hood pad, Robert. Thank you very much. The engine bay actually looks nice and, well, I don't know. It looks nice. I like the M110. There is a hydraulic fluid thing. It's dirty hydraulic fluid, but hey, it's hydraulic fluid. And I haven't, pulled off the air cleaner to take a look at the K-Jet system. I assume it's not a carburetor under there. What else? I think I saw there's no AC belt on there. Not a problem. Not worried about that. It looks like, as with everything, maybe some type of aftermarket alarm system there with maybe original, maybe not. I don't know. It seems to be hooked into that Bosch thing. Not sure what that is. So you can see where I missed some dirt when the car was wet, but it looks a lot better than that it's been wiped off. It seems like most of the clear coat damage is on the top of the car and the hood. Maybe I could replace the hood with one of these other ones that I've got, like this one right here. I think there's also some clear coat damage on the deck lid too. It looks like that's got rust, and both of them are a D-badge. This one's just got a little dent in it, but it looks like it would be an improvement, so that would work out well. And maybe the hood too would fix the hood star. So I guess maybe that's what's going to happen here. Is I think the colors are the same or similar, so that would actually probably be a good combination.